Welcome back to NYSE TV Live, everyone. I'm Kristen Scholler here in studio. Well, earlier this morning, NYSE-listed firm Vertiv rang the opening bell. The company's CEO, Albertazzi, is with me in studio. It is a $45 billion company, Gio, right at the crux of this data center boom. It's great to have you on the show this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Let's talk about the growth from here and how you are capitalizing on artificial intelligence and, of course, that key play in the data center space.
Absolutely. So Vertiv is a global leader in digital critical infrastructure. So if you think about data center, but also we serve telecom and commercial industry, but let's think about data center. The biggest part of our sales, about 75%. In 2020, 2023. The acceleration in the AI demand means an acceleration in the build of critical infrastructure data center. Being a leader in this space will really enable that acceleration. So think about an acceleration that will go on for years, decades. Is just the beginning of this acceleration, combined with everything that is cloud and that has happened so far. So we are at the center of it, and we enable that acceleration.
Here to celebrate your listing anniversary. Congratulations.
Yes, thank you.
Of course, the partnership between the New York Stock Exchange and our listed companies is so key. I want to talk more about the business and the economics behind these data centers specifically that you're focused on within the company. Explain that to our viewers and how you rely on certain technologies like liquefied gas, for instance, to make this work.
So liquid cooling, I think.
Yes.
I think we're talking here. But in general, think about Vertiv as the total full portfolio infrastructure provider for the data center economy. So it is thermal management, it is cooling, it is power management, everything that is physical around the servers, and the servers even more so GPU, let's say powered servers. Everything that is around that is physical, and that keeps that cool, those servers cool and powered. That's something that we do. So that acceleration is an acceleration in our served market. And it's a market that is evolving very fast in terms of technology. So you were talking about liquid cooling.
Exactly.
Liquid cooling is a new technology in the space, and that enables a very high density GPU servers to be cooled and to operate. That technology is relatively new. We're talking about 12, 18 months of market formation in this moment, and will go on for, again, decades, we believe. And the density will increase, so that technology will become more important. But when you think Vertiv, think about leadership in liquid cooling, leadership in the entire cooling sector, and leadership in data center power.
What are your goals for 2025?
Well, you know, this industry is accelerating. And our role is to make sure that we enable that acceleration, and that we have the technology for that to happen, for enabling the world to have sufficient AI factories to really achieve the ambitions that the whole data center industry has, and power and cool that.
And I'm curious, too, in terms of how the election results impact your business, if at all, going forward. We've been talking to all sorts of company executives. We had a decisive victory, an effective red sweep in D.C. Does that give you clarity in terms of planning your own strategy for 2025 and beyond?
Look, we serve a market that is very strong. And we believe that strength will continue for multiple years. And again, we have seen it with the cloud revolution, and that will be accelerated with the AI revolution. And that will be beyond anyway what happens politically. So we're very, very fortunate of serving a strong market.
We're so happy to have you on the show here,
Thanks
of course, as you celebrate your listing anniversary here at the Stock
Thank
Exchange. A very important business at the center of it all.
Thanks a lot.
That's Gio Albertazzi. He's the CEO of Vertiv, fresh off of ringing the opening bell.